Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at an email generator that I have created within Notion using this database. So if you're a bit confused about what the actual product is at the end of this, we have a piece of formula that generates a mail to link, and a mail to link, when clicked, produces an email that is already filled out. So it's pretty magical. It blew my mind at least, and I can't stop going on about them. Which is why I've made this video. So I'm just going to show you how we would go about creating a mail to link. So this is like a user-friendly way of doing it, which is using this template. So we have a daily report because we work at an office where we have to send a daily report every day. But obviously we don't want to write the email out every day. So instead we're using this table to create our email. So in the to column, I'm putting in our main recipients. So we have the boss, the colleague, and the manager. I'm super creative. Inside CC, we have HR because HR need to know what's going on. And in the blind carbon copy, we're going to put our own email because maybe we need it also sent to ourselves. I don't know. But it's just all I could think of. In the subject, we're going to put daily report. But instead of writing today's date out like that, we're going to click subject date now. So essentially what that means is it's adding today's date, the date right now, onto the end of the subject. So all we have to do is tick that for that to happen. Then inside of the body of the email, we're just going to copy this little bit that we put in here. As we can see in the one above, we have all these cues. Essentially the cues represent line breaks. So 2 cues is 1 line break, 4 cues is 2 line breaks, etc. 3 cues is 3 line breaks. 6 cues is 3 line breaks. Brain fart. Okay, so that's the cues I want to do there. I'm actually just going to quickly, I'll show you in a sec. So now that we've finished our email off, all we have to do is go to the result, copy this, it literally says copy this, and paste it here. So paste it into our paste here section, and this is a URL, which basically means when you click it, it takes us to the email in our email client. So as we can see, we have today's date generated here at the end of the email. And yeah, the email has been generated. So that was really quick. There's a few rules that this email generator has in order to work. So for example, let's say we send this email again tomorrow, but the date changes. So that means that this formula will now be different to this formula. So I'm going to do like 2 examples in one here. Let's say that now all of the recipients in the to section can no longer be put in the to section, and they have to be hidden in BCC for, I don't know, like legal reasons, something like that. So now we take them out, we put them there. Now when we go to the result, we have 2 errors because I forgot I have another caveat. So we can never leave this empty or it won't work. So I'm just going to literally put any letter because it doesn't need to actually be an email that we put inside here. It's just so that the formula works. So as we can see, the link has generated, but we've got this little note here saying expired link. And essentially what that means is this link is no longer up to date with the formula that you have requested in front end. So all we have to do, copy it, Control C, Command C, and Control V and Command V, paste it into paste here, and then our warning has disappeared, which is fabulous. And then we click it, and now all of our recipients are in BCC. We have a letter here that we just have to delete. I don't know why it doesn't work, because you can actually do it normally if you just wrote it out, but for some reason it doesn't like it on Notion, or at least on this mail app. So we have one more thing to say real quick. Let's say, for example, we were pasting this in here and we accidentally put a space because we're overworked and stressed. So here we have an error, space is detected in addresses, and essentially when you get that error, you can just look, I've put info for all the errors so you'll never be confused. You have a space inside to CC BCC. It must be removed. So it's actually just in one of them. So you just have to go ahead and find it, delete it, and the result is back. Woo! Okay, I think that's all. Oh yeah, the only other thing I have to say is if you would like your date to be formatted a different way, for example, you don't want the zeros in front of the fives, or you want a really condensed date, all you have to do is go into the back end and go on today's date here and format it the way you would like. So Notion has different formatting ways that you can put in. You can even put the time in. I don't really see the point of putting the time in for this, but let's just say we want like American style dates. Obviously today was not a good day to showcase that. But yeah, or we don't want the zeros. Lol. So yeah, that's one way you could do it. Personally, I like it this way around. But yeah, so that is the formula. This template will be linked below, so you can check it out in the description. I'm going to share it with the world, just like that. So duplicate template, obviously, like I say, yes, this link is below. So if you found this template useful or this video useful, please consider buying me a coffee, link also in the description. And if you're interested in any of my other templates, you can also check the description, where you'll be taken to my Gumroad profile, where I've got 2 really awesome templates. I've got an Animal Crossing template, and I've also got a student hub for any of my students out there. I've got you sorted. So yeah, go check them out. I've also got a Discord server you can join if you want to ask me any questions, and also feel free to email me below. Maybe you want to email me using this generator, I don't know. So links to all of that will be inside this template when you download it. So like I say, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.